Hold on 1 second. Okay, so just to reiterate, for the ending inventory, we took 120 units at $5 each for a total of $600 because we're going top down with LIFO for ending inventory at $600. And then we're going to take 110 out of the next line down for June 12th. And that's going to give us our total of 230 for a total of 1,260. And that's using LIFO ending inventory top down. Now we're going to do cost of goods sold for LIFO, which is bottom up for cost of goods sold. And how do we know how many were sold? Well, they don't tell us, but if we take the total we started with, which was 690, minus the ending inventory, which they gave us here, 230, right? Minus 230. So if we take 690 minus 230, it's not subtracting. Why is it not subtracting? Oh, we gotta go like that. There we go. Okay, so if we take 690 minus 230, we get 460. So 460 is what was sold. 460 units is what was sold. So we are going to do LIFO. What's our direction? We're doing cost of goods sold. What's our direction? Bottom up until we get to 460. Okay, so we've got 200 units at $7 each for a total of $1,400. Okay. So we're going to take all of those, and that's from the June 23rd date, right? $1,400. And now, how much more do we need to get to 460? We need 260 more. So if we go to the next line up, we're going to see there's 370 there, right? 370, but we don't want all 370. We only want 260 to get to our number. So we've got June 12th. We're going to take 260 of those 370 units at $6 each. And that's going to give us a total of 260 times 6 gives us a total of 1,560. So now we have our total number of units, which is 460. That's how many were sold. And our cost of goods sold is 1,400 plus 1,560. That's 2,960. Now, if we wanted to do the math part just to check, we would do the cost of goods available for sale. So the total cost of all the goods, or the cost of goods available for sale, is 4,220. Okay, 4,220. And if we were to minus the ending inventory, which is 1,260, right? 1,260 we figured out. That's going to give us 42. Oh, wait. Nope. Hold on, I did that wrong. It didn't subtract. We've got 4,220 minus the 1,260, that gives us 2,960. So you can see that the 2,960 matches the 2,960, okay? So that our proof was correct. And had we just done the math, we would still want to do the proof. The other way you can look at it is you could say, okay, the cost of goods available for sale are 4,220, right? The cost of goods sold, we figured out, was 2,960, right? Cost of goods sold is 2,960. So if we subtract 2,960 from 4,220, we get 1,260, and that's our ending inventory. So we're getting the same numbers. There's just a different way to look at it for both of those numbers. So that's exercise 6-7, page 638.